Now we have another fifth type of connective, that is known as implication of conditional, and it is shown by these signs, this arrow, this or this. Now here there are two propositions, okay, and we join them with the sentence if the first proposition then second one. So here it will be like, if you take the book from the library, then take it from the market. Okay, now the truth table of this can be shown as like this. Just remember that when the value of 1 is 1, a is 1 and b is 0, then it gives the output 0, otherwise it gives 1 in all the case. And it is also, and you can see it is also represented by this, so it is same. Okay, only you have replaced 0 by false and 1 by t. Now it is also said that this a implication or a conditional b is equal to a bar plus b. Means if you will draw the truth table of a bar, how will you draw? You first make a b like this, then a bar, reverse this column, and then you a bar plus b. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 0. See, the same truth table is coming, which is of this. That is why it is said that they both are equal. Okay, like this. If you reach on time, then you can appear in the examination. So like they are joined with the words if and then. Then we have another one, that is the biconditional or equivalence. Now here actually in implication this statement is more important, because if this will be true, then only this will be true. Okay, but in biconditional both the statements have equal importance, like it is shown by the double arrow like this. Okay, and its truth table is like this. If both the conditions are equal, then only the 1 is there, otherwise in opposite cases 0 is there. So you can join it like, suppose that I'll show later on. Now first you see that this is equal to this thing, a bar b bar plus a dot b. Means if you'll draw the truth table of this truth table is equal to this truth table. Okay, now in the implication I have said that if today is Sunday, then school will remain closed. So if, after if whatever is used, that is known as the antecedent, and after then whatever is used, that is known as the consequent. So if antecedent is true, then only the consequent will be true, right? And if you write a arrow b, so here a is a antecedent and b is a consequent. Now this is a small chart of the all connectives. Okay.